Okay, so today I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys how to derive the quadratic formula. And basically what it is how we go from the standard form of a quadratic equation to the quadratic formula. So the first step we want to do is we start out with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now the goal is to isolate the x, so the first thing that we want to do is divide everything by a. Our second step, once these cancel out, is we're going to get x squared plus b over a times x, and then we're going to move the c over a to the other side, and we're going to subtract c over a from both sides because this cannot be factored as it is. So we're going to get equals negative c over a. Thing we're going to want to do is complete the square. So the way we get that is we take 1/2 of b squared. So it'd be 1 over 2 times b over a squared, and that equals b squared over 4a squared. And so when we get that, we're going to add that to both sides. So we get x squared plus b over a times x plus b squared over 4a squared equals negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. After we have that, we're going to factor this out, and when we do that, we get x plus b over 2a squared equals negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now what we're going to want to do on this side, so that we can combine our like terms, is multiply this by 1, and the 1 is going to be 4a over 4a. And once we're at this point, we're going to want to take the square root of both sides. Now over here we get x plus b over 2a equals the square root of negative 4ac plus b squared over 2a. Once we have that, we're going to want to, again, our goal is to isolate the x, so we're going to cancel out the negative b over 2a by subtracting that from both sides. So that equals negative b over 2a plus negative 4ac plus b squared over 2a. And when we have our like denominators, we can add the numerators. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of negative 4ac plus b squared over 2a. And that is how we derive the quadratic formula.